So take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our Bitcoin. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. So let's start with our trend on our Bitcoin. So if you take a look at this moment right here, we are in a downtrend move. It is very clear that Bitcoin is on a downtrend move, right? So this is a series of lower low and a lower high, lower low and a lower high. Now take a look at what market did here. Market give us a multiple rejection at this zone right here, whereby when markets will come go back here, they have a rejection that will make it to drop, right? Markets will pull back again to come to tap this level. Then we had a rejection that made it what to drop. Market was able to push up again, come to tap this level. This is a rejection here that made it to drop a little bit. Now market has now come back to tap this level again. So we expected a rejection from this zone, which market was able to drop. Now when you zoom it in also, you will see that there is a series of lower low and a lower high play. So if this is your first low, this is your lower high, this is also your lower low, and this is your lower high here. Market was able to form a new lower low here, and this here is the lower high. Now that we've gotten this lower high, what should we be expecting next on Bitcoin? Of course, we should be expecting a new lower low. So we should be expecting Bitcoin to drop and form a new lower low, thereby taking out this previous low. So guys, a new lower low is what we will be expecting on our Bitcoin. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame. The market is pushing like this. So with this movement, we should expect Bitcoin to give us one more sell. So one more sell is what we'll be expecting next on our Bitcoin. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on any single update, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram.